Hello everyone, I am Anuradha Mehra and I am teaching you maths. So I am taking the topic factors for you. So here is my topic, factors. Factors means, what are factors exactly? Factor is a number which you multiply with another number to get the desired number. We will explain this with the example here. So first we take the factor of 12. So here it is, factors of 12. So when we are talking about the factors of 12, so remember one thing, we know that the table up to 1 to 19 from this, right? So first we will start from 1 because 1 is for all the numbers. So here we will take 1. So 1 is the number which we will multiply with the another number to get the desired number. So 1 multiply by with what to get the desired number? So here the desired number is 12. It means 1 multiply by what to get the 12. So 1 multiply by 12 is equal to 12. It means my sentence is, fulfill the example here, the number is multiplied with the other number that is 12 to get the desired number that is 12. Right. Now come to the next number is 2. In the table of 2 you know that 12 is also come. So 2 number is a number which we will multiply with the another number that is 2 6 and my desired number is 12. So again the second factor is 2, which number is multiplied with 6 and the desired number is 12. Now the next number is 3. In the table of 3, 12 will come. Yes, 12 will come. So you will take 3 here and 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. Again here it is, 3 is the number which we will multiply with the another number 4 and we get the desired number is 12. Right, and now here it is, after the 3 there is a 4 and 4 is already here. So if the 4 is already here, it is repeated here. So we will not repeat it again, we will stop it here and we will write down the factors. Right, and factors you have to write in a U shape. Remember one thing, you have to write the factors in a systematic way. So we will start from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Remember one thing, you have to write in the systematic way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So these are called the factors of 12. Right. Now come to the next example. Again now next example is factors of 15. For the factors of 15, again we will start from 1. So here it is 1. Again the number is 1 which we will multiply with the 15 only and we get the desired number that is 15. So 1 is the factor of 15. Now come to the 2. In the table of 2, 2 with 15 will come? No. So we will take the another number again, 3. Yes, in the table of 3 the 15 will come. But in the table of 3, when the 3 5s are 15. So here it is again, 3 is a number, which number is multiplied with the another number, we get the desired number. After the 3 there will be a 4. In the table of 4, 15 again will not come, so we will not write down the 4 here. Now come to the next number is 5, but if we will write down 5, the 5 is already here. If the number is repeating, it means you will stop it here and you will write down the factors. And remember one thing, again you will write down the factors in the U shape, means systematic. So here it is 1, 3, 5 and 15. So these are called the factors of 15. 1, 3, 5 and 15. Right class? Now come to the next. Again I will take the another example, that is factors of 27. 27 is a number, again we will start from 1. Without any thinking, you will just write down the 1 here and one number is multiplied with 27 and we get the desired number 27. Now come to the next number is 2. In the table of 2, 27 will come? No, because you know that na, table of 2. So 2 in the table of 2, 27 will not come. Now the next number is 3. After that 3, yes, 3 in the table of 3, 27 will come. So 3 multiply by what number to get 27? It means 3 multiply by 9. 3 9s are 27 is the answer. After the 3, the table of 4, 27 will not come. In the table of 5, again 27 will not come. In the table of 6, 27 will not come. In the table of 8, again 27 will not come. So the next number is 9. In the table of 9, yes, 27 will come, but 9 is already here. It means we don't write down vector of 9. So we will stop it here and we will write down the factors of 27. So here it is again 1, 3, 9 and 27. So these are the factors of 27. After that we will take another example, and I will take one more example. Here it is, and my next example is 49. 49 is the number. So here it is, we see at what table that 49 will come. So we will write down factors of 49. So here it is, again we will start from 1. In the table of 1, how it will come? 1 multiplied by 49 is equal to 49. Again 1 is the factor which is multiplied with the another number to get the desired number. So come to the next number is 2. In the table of 2, 49 will not come. In the table of 3, 49 will not come. In the table of 4, in table of 5, in table of 6, in table of 7. Yes, in the table of 7, 49 will come. At what? 7 multiplied by 7. So 7 sevens are 49. After the 7, again 7 will come, and 7 is already here. So we will stop my factors here and we will write down the factors here. So my factors are, again you have to write down in the U shape, and remember one thing, 7 are repeating 2 times, but you have to write down only 1 time. Don't write again and again. So here it is 1, 7, 49. So here are the 3 factors of 49. And one more, and the last example I will take in front of you. So here it is, the factors of 32. In the factors of 32, so here it is, see, 32. Now again we will start from 1. In the table of 1, 1 32s are 32. Now come to the next 2. Yes, in the table of 2, 2 16s are. If you had any problem, remember one thing, you can divide this 2 with 32. So you will get the another number also. If you have any problem, right? Otherwise you will multiply easily, right? Now come to the next 3. In the table of 3, 32 will not come, because divisibility of 3 will tell you that when you add these two numbers, 3 plus 2 is 5 and 5 is not divided by 3. So in the table of 3, 32 will not come. Then come to the 4. Yes, in the table of 4, 32 will come at when 4 8s are 32. So in the table of 4, 32 will come at 8. After that 5, again 5. In the table of 5, 32 will not come. In the table of 6, again 32 will not come. In the table of 7, 32 will not come. In table of 8, 32 will come, but 8 is already here, right? So what you will do, we will stop it here and we are writing the factors here. And again in the U shape, again I am stress this thing, because always we are writing the factors in a systematic way. So here it is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. So here are the factors of the numbers. So, and I think you can understand these things. Factors means only factors. We are not talking about the prime factors, because we are not using the prime factors here. We are using the numbers only. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.